Why does Mercie J recommend you replace your cabin air filter at regular intervals? Hi, I'm Rick Smith. So your cabin air filter is kind of like the filter in your house that you have either in the ceiling or maybe in one of your walls that filters the air that blows on you and what you breathe in. So a cabin air filter helps keep that clean. Sometimes you can even get ones that have carbon in them so that they actually deodorize the air in your car a little bit. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason for regular replacement is you have something in your car called the evaporator. And the evaporator is the part that makes your air conditioning cold. And so it has a lot of moisture on it. And so it can actually develop a lot of lint, kind of like your dryer. And so having a good clean cabin air filter in there reduces the amount of lint that can clog up that evaporator. The last thing is if you let the cabin air filter go too long, then the blower motor, that fan that blows the air on your face, it has to work a lot harder to pull the air through that filter. And when it does that, the amperage required on that motor goes higher. So that can shorten the life of the motor. It can also shorten the life of some of the electronics that control the motor. So those are some of the reasons why we recommend you do it. Here in the desert, we have very dusty conditions. So typically about once a year, about every 15,000 miles is about when we suggest you replace that filter. I hope this has been informational to you. Thanks for watching. Safe travels and blessings to you.